And now RightFax has full support for Allscripts Professional and TouchWorks EHR. This allows users to fax protected health information directly from the Allscripts by leveraging the RightFax web API. Users can send and receive faxes and receive fax status notifications directly in Allscripts. I can't do a live demo of this, but let's quickly walk through how the connector for Allscripts will work. Once the connector is configured, directly in Allscripts you will start to see a Send via RightFax button. The RightFax Allscripts webpage will then open, displaying the patient's name at the top of the list of available documents to fax below. As you can see from the slide, sending faxes from Allscripts will be very easy. You can then select the documents you wish to fax and input the recipient's fax number. You'll also have the opportunity to add more information such as notes and a cover sheet. Then hit send. Once the fax has been submitted using the RightFax web API, the Allscripts connector will process the fax and send the job.